Today we're gonna be popping up popcorn in our Whirly Pop. Really, really good. Nice and salty, nice and buttery. Today we're popping up movie theater butter flavored popcorn in our Whirly Pop. And we're gonna be doing that using this pre-portioned movie theater pack. This actually came with the Whirly Pop, so we're gonna give it a try. It has butter coconut oil here, it has Flavacol right here, and it has popcorn kernels here on this side. And to do that, we're gonna be using one of these pre-portioned movie theater packs. This actually came with our Whirly Pop. In here, you have your butter coconut oil, you have your Flavacol, and you have your kernels all in one. So let's get popping. We have our Whirly Pop here and we are getting it heated up so this can get nice and hot. And while it's doing that, we're gonna add in our butter coconut oil. So we have our portion pack here. We're just gonna snip off the end and we're gonna squeeze that out right inside of our Whirly Pop. There we go, we have our oil in there and we're already melting. So that means we're pretty much up to temperature. So next, we are going to add in our kernels and our Flavacol. We're gonna do something very similar. We're gonna just cut off the rest of our nap pack. Now you can put this in all together if you wanted to, but I like to add the oil first, make sure it's up to temperature. There we go, we just dump that in. We have our kernels, our oil, and our Flavacol all in there. We're gonna give it a spin like this, and we are going to close this lid. And we're gonna just keep turning this right on our cooktop here. So we have our handle, we're just gonna keep turning it. And while that's doing that, you can see inside there, it's just turning our popcorn kernels and our oil around and around. So let's close that back up. We want to keep the heat in there as much as we possibly can. And we're gonna keep turning this. And while this is heating up, this is the perfect time to tell you about today's sponsor. Today's sponsor is kettlecornmachine.com. If you are interested in popping popcorn at farmers markets, fairs, making kettle corn to sell, they make the best big kettle corn machines that you can find. We actually have one ourselves. It works really great and we love it. So if you are interested in one of those, go ahead and check out kettlecornmachine.com. There's a link down in the description, and tell Destiny Popcorn Genius sent you, and I'm sure she's gonna take great care of you. If you wanna pick up your free copy of the Popcorn Genius recipe book, check out the link down in the description. You can download that absolutely free today. Lots of great recipes, lots of great flavored recipes for popcorn in there. Now we're popping this up on an induction cooktop, okay? And if you're gonna pick yourself up one of these Whirly Pops, you should know that not all of their Whirly Pops will work on an induction cooktop. This one here is their stainless steel model, and the stainless steel model works on an induction cooktop. I don't believe the aluminum one will work, so be sure to check that out beforehand. Typically, if you're just cooking on a gas stove or something like that, any of their Whirly Pops will work for you. This one is in really good quality. It has, the stainless steel one comes with a metal gear right here. Not all of them do. Some of them have a nylon gear. This one is metal. I can hear it sizzling a little bit now. I can smell it. I'll take a quick peek in there. I don't really want to let all the heat out, but I did want to let you see in there what it looks like. Oh, it smells so good too. Smell that movie theater butter popcorn. It smells so good. Oh yeah, we're really starting to pop now. Now we keep turning this so it doesn't burn. We want it to keep it moving in there so it doesn't stay in one spot and burn. Oh yeah, we're really popping up now. You can hear it. We're gonna listen for this too, because when it starts to slow down, that's when we're gonna remove it from the heat. Yep, I think we're almost there. So we're gonna turn this off. Oh, we got a little bit more left maybe. All right, let's turn this off. Take this off of the heat. All right, we'll put it right down here. All right, let's take a look at it, see what it looks like. Ooh, look at that. That looks so good. Nice buttery coated butterfly popcorn. That tastes awesome. Take this right off of here. What you wanna do is you wanna try to take the lid off as soon as you possibly can to let all the steam out. Because if you keep the steam trapped in there, it's gonna make your popcorn soggy and it's not gonna be as crunchy. Okay, so there we have it. We made our popcorn in our Whirly Pop. Let's take a few pieces out so you can see them up close. And there you have it. Nice buttery popcorn. Let's give it a try. I did have some pieces earlier. Really, really good. Nice and salty, nice and buttery. All made on our Whirly Pop right at home. It works really, really well. The Whirly Pop works great. If you're into stovetop popcorn, one of these will work perfectly for you. That stops it so you don't have to shake the pot over and over. You can just turn the handle, pops up great popcorn. So remember, you can make great popcorn just like this in life, and with popcorn, you just gotta get out there and get popping.